on mitochondrial DNA revealed two groups of halotype variations for the Asian honeybee Epicyrana in Kalimantan, Indonesia.
Okay, thank you, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day, everyone. I am Fikri Irsyad Muhammad from Department of Biology, IPB University, Bogor, Indonesia, and I would like to present part of our research supervised by Professor Dr. Rika Rafiuddin, entitled CO2 gene of mitochondrial DNA revealed two groups of haplotype variation for Asian honeybee Apicirana in Kalimantan, Indonesia. Apicirana is the most widely distributed honeybee across Asia and is known as the Asian honeybee. Every eukaryotic organism, including Apicirana, consists of mitochondria, and mitochondrial DNA, or mtDNA, has been widely used to study population genetics and evolution. One of the mitochondrial genes is cytochrome C oxidase subunit 1 and 2, or CO1 and CO2. Based on the previous research, the CO1 gene of Apicirana in the Sundaland region is divided into two groups. The first is Borneo haplotypes, marked with pink. It's found across the island of Borneo, and Kalimantan is an Indonesian region of Borneo. And the second is the Java haplotype, marked with orange, which is found in the island of Java. Tanaka also found 3 colonies with Java haplotypes in south and central of Borneo, of Kalimantan. Currently, there is no CO2 gene haplotype variation data of Apicirana in Kalimantan, and we also want to confirm the previous finding on the CO1 gene that found the Java haplotype of Apicirana in Kalimantan. Therefore, we question first, how many haplotype variation are there in the population of Apicirana in Kalimantan? And second, are there common haplotype and specific haplotypes of Apicirana in Kalimantan? Samples of Apicirana were collected from 12 districts in 5 provinces, namely West Kalimantan, Central, South, East, and North Kalimantan. The result of this study, based on the homology analysis, show that Apicirana is in Kalimantan consists of population with Borneo haplotypes, the pink one, and the Java haplotype, the orange one, in relatively equal proportions. And in addition to Tanaka, who found the Java haplotype in South and Central Kalimantan, our study also found the Java haplotype in East and North Kalimantan. We conducted the median joining network analysis, and we found that the Java and Borneo haplotypes group consists of several haplotypes. So the upper section of the figure shows the Java haplotypes of Kalimantan Apicirana, while the lower section of the figure shows the Borneo haplotypes of Kalimantan Apicirana. And each strip like this one is represent a single variation. So for example, Borneo 1 and Kalimantan 5 is differ by 2 variation. We can see that there are numerous variation separating the Java and the diameter size of the cycle is positively correlated to the number of individual. And question, we have common haplotype in Kalimantan, that is Borneo 1 haplotype. We also found two specific haplotypes. There is Kalimantan 4, who is specific and can only be found in East Kalimantan, while Kalimantan 5 is a specific haplotype that only found in South Kalimantan. These two specific haplotypes are not found in Apicerana population from other region in Asia, making them potential genetic markers for the East and South. We also performed a phylogenetic tree analysis, and the tree also supported that Apicerana in Kalimantan is divided into two clusters based on the Java and the Borneo haplotype, with a very high number of bootstrap value. Sample from this study are marked with an asterisk like this one. And some of these current study Apicerana sample were clustered with other sample from the Borneo region, such as Sabah and Brunei Darussalam, while the other is clustered with sample from Banten and West Java, which is the island of Java. It is suspected that the Java haplotype colonies found in Kalimantan were introduced from Java through government beekeeping assistance program. And in conclusion, based on the CO2 gene, Apicerana in Kalimantan consists of population with both Borneo and Java haplotypes. This supports previous finding based on the CO1 gene. And second, specific haplotypes were identified in East and South Kalimantan. We extend our gratitude to Ministry of Research and Technology, National Research and Innovation Agency Indonesia for the research grant on behalf of Professor Dr. Rika Rafiuddin. Our deepest acknowledgement also goes to the Kalimantan bee team, our academic collaborators, local beekeepers, and everyone who supported the collection of Apicerana sample across Kalimantan. That concludes my presentation, and thank you.
Do we have any questions from the audience? No questions? Okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Fikri. And it was a nice presentation. You presented the diversity of the bees based on the molecular level identifications, and it is a very good work, and I hope you will continue doing it. Okay, so now we
Thank you
have
very much.
the next presentation of Mr. Mohammad Sarmad. Dr.